The Mendocino County Library has a wealth of resources for kids, teens, and adults. Let's check out a resource for children, Britannica School. To access children's resources, go to mendolibrary.org, the library website. Scroll down and click on the kids icon. A list of resources, including book recommendations and more, will appear. Click on the Investigate link to see online resources that will help you with your homework. What we're looking at today is Britannica School. It's a great resource with lots of online articles, images, and more that will help you with your school research. We have 2 different levels for Britannica School: elementary school age or middle school age. Let's look at the elementary school age. Click on Britannica Elementary, and you'll see the home page. Here you can start searching by typing in a keyword. Let's try volcanoes. Your search results will display here. We have 122 results. Right now we have it limited to articles. Scroll down to see the list of articles that are available for you to look at. Let's click on this one to see more of the article. It includes images, in this case a map, information in the article here. You can also go ahead and cite your source here, save it so that you can find it later, send it as an email or a link to someone else, and print a copy here. We even have a font that will help dyslexic people read the text easier, and a translate button. Let's go back to our search results by clicking the back arrow. Let's say we're looking for images of volcanoes. We can click on images, and this will filter our results so that we only see images of volcanoes. Let's click on one of the images. You can zoom in here and see some details here about this image. Click on More Tools, and you can view a full-size image of the picture. Let's scroll back to our results. We also have selections of videos. Click on Videos to filter your search results. Click on any of these play buttons to get started watching one of these videos.
Earth contains 3 layers: the core, the mantle, and the crust. The crust is the outer.
You can download a copy of the video here and enable subtitles by clicking on CC. You can also view a transcript, which is the words that go along with the video, by clicking on the transcript button. Let's go back. You can see here from our search results that we can even filter by reading level. Right now we have the reading level at level 1. You can also switch it to articles that are level 2 reading or level 3 reading. This will filter out your search results. You can go back to the home page of Britannica School at any time by clicking on the Elementary button. Then you can begin another search. Now let's go back to the library website and look at the Britannica Middle School. Click on Britannica Middle. You can see that the website looks much the same. However, all of this content is suitable for middle schoolers. Go ahead and type in your search term here. And you can see that it looks a little bit different. They still have the reading levels, in this case, reading level 2. It still has links to articles and images, but there's less focus on pictures. The actual content of the articles is much the same. You can still cite, save, send, print, translate, and more. Let's look at the teen section of Britannica School. Go back to the library website at mendolibrary.org and click on the teens icon. Click on the Investigate link, and you'll see a link here to Britannica High School. Click on the link to Britannica High School, and you'll see here at the top, it says High, short for high school. You can go ahead and start typing in your search word. And you can see here that the user interface looks a lot more like the middle school section. Again, we have articles. You can cite, save, send, and print. We have images. And we also have videos here. And that is how you use Britannica School. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.